Howdy guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting values for units, but before that let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch project solving videos, updates daily. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on units and calculations, and we've covered quite a few of the different formulas, and today we'll be looking at adding and subtracting, and I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now keep in mind, most of these values or these calculations should work on any field that you can enter numbers that is set to inches, centimeters, and so forth. But in this example, I'm going to just select this little shape, make a copy of it, paste it here. So now under our design central, if we go, I'll just stick to one or two of these. So let's start with the width. So let's say now you can go at the back of it, you press your minus sign, and then we say minus by 1. And you'll say it is just halved it by an entire 1. You can obviously then go plus. And we say 1 again, so we're back to 2. But also keep in mind you can go point decimal. So let's say we want to minus this by 1.5. So then just a good thing to keep in mind is you want to press 1 and then comma 5. So it's not 1.5, it's 1 comma 5. And then when you press enter, it will change that for you to 1 comma 5. Then same with plussing, you can do the same thing. So we can go plus by, let's say, comma 5. Not sure what's happening. If something's on my laptop's mouse. So let's go. So this was on 1, and then this was 0.5. So let's go plus comma 5, and then we've got it back to 1. So just something to keep in mind, you can work with point decimals as well. And then also a nice little trick to remember. So let's say we want to plus this by 1, and you don't want to press enter every time. You can always just press tab and it'll go to the next value. So if we go plus 1, press tab, and then automatically update it. So if you have got a few values to update, you can just run through them like that. And like we mentioned in the previous video, you can also add combinations of keys. So for instance, we can go minus, let's say, comma 5, and then a plus 3, and then we'll calculate that for us once you press enter. And this obviously also works with multiplication and division as well. So you can have quite a variety of different things you put in, and then it will calculate it. And keep also in mind that it works in a sequence of order from left to right. So we'll first calculate this one, then the next one, then the next one, and then you'll get your final result once you're done. Otherwise, I think that just about concludes this mini series on units and calculation. Thank you guys for following along, and otherwise we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. We've got a variety of different softwares you to cover, and also you can isolate your search by going to the search bar if you want to look for anything specific without navigating through the list of videos. But if you don't find what you're looking for, we also have this nice little option here, request a training video. Then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.